Welcome, crypto enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive deeper into the exciting world of cryptocurrency with a platform that rewards you from the very beginning? Today, let's talk about how you can leverage the MEXC sign-up bonus with just one simple step. Imagine kickstarting your MEXC journey with an influx of free assets. Exciting, right? Here's how you can make the most of the MEXC sign-up bonus. By using the referral code 12K4M5, you unlock an exclusive bonus that enriches your trading experience right from the start. What does this sign-up bonus offer? When you sign up on MEXC and use the referral code 12K4M5, you get a welcome bonus to boost your initial balance, VIP access to premium features enhancing your trading efficiency, fee discounts on transactions, saving you more to invest. But the real beauty of MEXC lies in its simplicity. Here's what you do. 1. Visit the MEXC website or app. Sign up with your email or link to your social media. 2. Enter the referral code 12K4M5. This is your key to a better trading start. 3. Complete your KYC process. Ensure secure and seamless trading. 4. Bonus will be activated. Now, watch your assets grow. Not only does MEXC offer this incredible sign-up bonus, but using the referral code 12K4M5 also brings priority customer support for any queries or issues you might face, joint events and promotions, an opportunity to gain more from community events. Remember, in the crypto world, early adoption and smart choices can make a significant difference. So don't just join MEXC, join with 12K4M5 and enhance your trading journey with extra perks. You're not just starting to trade, you're starting with an advantage. Start your MEXC experience with a bonus. Use the referral code 12K4M5 and let's elevate your trading game together. See you on the other side of profit. Feel free to like, share, or subscribe to stay tuned to our future crypto explorations. And don't forget your referral code 12K4M5.